Kia ora guys, I'm Kura. Welcome back to Fish and Tips. Last episode, we did bait fish jigging.
And now let's check out pencil squid jigging. Hello everybody.
Hi everyone.
You can catch bait fish using the jigs, the flies, or if we have special squid jigs, we can target squid, lolligo or pencil squid. Not a problem.
Okay.
Let's have a look at the gear for lolligo squid.
So what we require is a main line, 50 kilos to 100 kilos, and about 100 meters to 200 meters length, depending on your preference. We also require lures. This lure has 2 crowns with barbless hooks. This is the bottom and this is the top. And when we connect normally from top to bottom, which we will show you on some of the gears that we have already rigged. To connect the lures together, we use light gauge monofilament, 15 kilos to 30 kilos, usually with the lighter gauge at the bottom and the heavier gauge at the top. So 15 kilos at the bottom, and we put anything from 10 to 30 lures in one line. At the bottom of the whole lure rig, we have a sinker, which we connect at the bottom of the rig. This is around 150 grams. And finally, we need the reel. It can be a commercial one or a handcrafted one.
We're fishing at night. We need underwater lights. There's 3 types here. Crocodile clips, positive and negative. You need 12-volt battery. We also have above water lights. There's 3 types here. And it's wise to use a dimmer. This is to dim the light like you have in your bedrooms. But this is a 12-volt dimmer.
For the lolligo squid rig, this is how to connect it. This is the bottom, this is the top, connected that way. You can see the top leading to Ian, the bottom of his lure there. This distance is 50 centimeters to 1 meter. And now, let's go and see how to put this on the reel. Here's one of the lolligo reels that we were talking about, made by Uncle Ian. And Ian, can you explain what you did?
I made this thinking what's likely to be available in your countries, in your islands. This is just a bit of 4x2 timber, bit of 9mm ply, stainless steel rod, and this is a float that's cut in half, and that acts as the pulley or the bearing. I put a ramp here, so that as the squid comes over this roller, it drops on here and slides straight into the esky. Oi, William, what is this? What is this contraption? How much did it cost and where did you get it from?
It's a commercial product that we ordered from Taiwan. It costs several $100, much more than what you have, unfortunately. But the principles and how it works is the same thing. You got the roller, same performance, bring the line over. You have the tray where the squid drops in and falls in, and you will notice that the reel is hexagonal, same as yours, and we will explain to you later how to use this when we go out to sea and do the actual fishing trip. Here's the third version of the reels that we showed you. It's a wooden hand reel, FAO design. We have the manuals that we can show you to how to make it. Same principles. You have the spool to collect the line and the pulley to guide it. Very useful for bait fish, for catching bait fish, and also useful for loligo squid fishing.
Okay, this looks pretty simple, but you know, William, I'm tired of talking. Let's go fishing. Turn on the underwater light and wait for the squids to aggregate. Deploy the sinker over the roller and drop the trunk line with the squid jigs rigged 1 meter apart.
Then we let them go one by one.
Drop the main line down to 50 to 150 meters. When you have reached your desired fishing depth, you can start winding up at a steady pace. The diamond shape of the reel will give it a jigging motion. As squid come over the roller, they will drop off the lures and slide onto the tray and into the bin. Make sure to hose your boat afterwards to avoid squid ink that stains and also stink.